finally, last ditch run. We finally got this shit. Minor touch-ups, add the handlebars or the handles. Seal the entire shower unit. Clean up. Install a towel rack. Install the handles. Then the shower is done. Last thing on my agenda is to sand and paint and reinstall the mirror. I got a new medicine cabinet coming. It's a rustic gray with a barn door style sliding opening, and I got some other odds and ends I got coming in. I gotta wait. That won't be here till next week. But as of tomorrow, the shower is 100% completely finished tomorrow, and I will be able to wash my ass inside again, finally. Just some minor touch-ups. I got some end pieces, not bullnose tile, but some pencil tiles I'm gonna put along the borders and the edges. Finish that up and also run them along the top. Then once I sand down the walls, put that brand new spray gun to work and spray this bathroom in a matter of 10 minutes. So it's been a long 2 weeks. Fuck this. I'm glad I never got a chance to be a tile person, because fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. They say it's supposed to be frameless. I don't see how it could be frameless, but it's got that shit. That looks like a frame to me. Correct? It looks like a frame to me. But anyways, fuck tiling. 2 weeks. I'm a week behind schedule. It is what it is.